In first-order logic resolution, the process typically involves converting statements into clauses and then applying resolution rules to derive new clauses. Clauses are disjunctions of literals, where each literal is either a positive or negative atomic proposition. The resolution rule states that if there are two clauses containing complementary literals, they can be resolved by eliminating those literals. This generates a new clause that combines the remaining literals. This process continues until no new clauses can be derived. In artificial intelligence, resolution plays a crucial role in tasks like automated theorem proving, knowledge representation, and inference in expert systems. In artificial intelligence, resolution in first-order logic serves as a cornerstone for various tasks. Imagine a scenario where an AI system needs to prove the validity of mathematical statements or logical formulas automatically. By employing resolution, it can systematically derive new conclusions from existing axioms, paving the way for automated theorem proving. In knowledge representation, resolution allows AI systems to encode complex domain knowledge into logical statements. This structured representation facilitates reasoning and inference, enabling the system to draw meaningful conclusions from the available information. Expert systems rely on resolution to reason about problems within specific domains. By encoding expert knowledge as logical rules, these systems can make informed decisions, diagnose issues, and recommend solutions based on logical inference. Natural language understanding becomes more accessible with resolution. By mapping natural language sentences to logical forms and applying resolution, AI systems can interpret and extract meaning from text, enabling applications such as chatbots, sentiment analysis, and information retrieval. In planning and problem-solving, resolution helps AI systems infer actions or steps necessary to achieve a goal. By representing the problem domain in logical statements and applying resolution inference, the system can generate effective plans and strategies to tackle complex problems. Overall, resolution in first-order logic empowers AI systems to reason, understand, and solve problems effectively across various domains and applications.